Well, hello. I didn't see you there as I was coming in. Well, since you're here, come on in. Get comfortable. This is Poppy's Workshop 6? 5 or 6? Come on. There we go. And you want to join the club? Come on. There. And you're on. I'm not going to turn the 200 water on. No. Okay. It's the next day. And I got this far. I cut my 6-degree angle. Yeah, that looks nasty, don't it? Well, that's where the screws are going to clamp, so I don't give a husky. Okay, now, it's raining out there. So, I'm not going to be clamping this in a vise and outside and hexawing it off. Well, I am going to do, here we are, a little deburr. Hey. Get some shiggles. A little touch there. This what I'm doing right now. It's called handwork. Specifically, using a file and knock off timbers so they won't interfere with. That's better. We're gonna wanna. Yeah. So we take our vise. Filthy, isn't it? Good. No, you don't. Stay right there. That's where I want you. I know it's here somewhere. Ah, there you are. Yeah, that's the brass. See, the idea is the brass won't damage the steel, because the steel's harder. And frankly, the aluminum, the shear line made these vice parts out of is harder than the brass. Then they anodized it and made it even harder. I'm not doing a full-on sterilization cleanup here. Might have to stone that a bit. Yeah, that's good. A little spot right there. Bothers me. No, there. Here. Or, yeah. Go after this baby with the ceramic. That's spot right there. It's you can still see it. It's a small island. Okay. And there's a spot there. It's going to have to be that for now. Boom. It was about there where I wanted it. Why aren't you? Okay, is it that spot right there? Well, I believe it was here where I took it out of. Turn around, baby. Come on. Turn around. Of course, everything wants to be a pain. There we go. Okay. No light there now. do this the smarter way. Not perhaps the smartest, but the smarter. Yeah, we really, No. Of course, you don't want to work the way I set you up first. That's why all that footage between last night and the night before didn't happen, is because you really want to see me sitting here. That's not going to give me good clamping. So, we turn it back around. And we're going to be working from there. Okay. Set you aside. Now, here's number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Now, the fun is 1. I know they're here. 2. So I don't drop them. I have to start a new search. Three. Come on, number 4. I know you're there. Where are you hiding? Make it easy for the rest of the company. Don't make me come looking for you. I'll come looking for you. I'm gonna make you guys drag all your racks outside, and then I'm gonna do a locker inspection while you're standing outside naked. Everybody in the command's laughing at you. Nope. Okay. Well, I knew it was here. No, I'll take this one, since it is attached to an extra long screw for this application. Oh no, I'm molting. There you go. Next. I think I'm gonna clean up my machine bench here. Bench. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up this table tonight after I work on that. Ah, my orangeade! You've been sitting out here all night. Oh, yeah! Little winemaker me. That's one problem with orangeade. If you don't drink it all up right away, wash your glass out, it's been known to ferment. I try not to let it ferment. You know, in the summertime, I drink up the orangeade so fast that I barely have time to drop my whole down on the floor while I'm trying to be so slick here on camera. It's chilly in here. Gently get these just snuggied. Come on, baby. You can do it. That's it. And now, something nice and straight, but not quite as flexible as that. Perfection. Now watch it move as soon as I start torquing on any one of these. Amazing. For once it didn't want to torque at a place. 2 for 2. Let's try number 3. Hey. Still nice. Still nice. And I want it all the way back there. I had thought once of drilling a bolting hole through like air and there and there and there. Put the Put the old shear line T-nut diameter, on the underside, so I might have to try that. And crank you all the way that way. That's all the way you're gonna go. That's all you're gonna give me. You're gonna be tight and hold that on me. But then again, well, I can get past the inch. Come on, baby. Oh, no. Now you're gonna catch. Come on, catch. Sometimes. There we go. I was just looking in my monitor to see if I was satisfied with the alignment here. Yep. Pull these down. I like it. Now I know how Jakar felt when what was the doctor's name on Babylon 5? Not the old black guy who disappeared right after the pilot. But the young black guy who went through the series. Fell in love with the singer who was dying of this horrible disease. Yeah. Okay, now. Why do you insist? A little bit off at the tip. Okay. Have to tend to that at another time. Come on, go in there. Okay. I know what's wrong with these. These were out in the shop and they got cold. I bet you this baby here come on. Hey, newer technology. But lesson learned. Don't leave your expensive digital goodies out in the shop if it isn't heated. I forget how let's do this the right way, puppy. $431. Okay. Set you right here. I understand Dicam makes something along this line. I was going to say, hey, remember the magic marker from 1960? Well, this ain't one of them, but you know that big aluminum tube with that big felt chisel tip. Fill that up with Dicam blue, man. I hear they did it before I could complain. Hey, I want that. Okay. Eye gauging. You're new. Don't you fall out. Okay, now I wanted 431. called thinking. Yeah. And I'll need to set you right there for a moment. Okay, I had my Lutz scale out the other night. Oh well. Which one is this? Is this the Chesterman? No, that's a tempered products engineering comp, Los Angeles, California. Products engineering company. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna need to be 300 deep. This round part is going to stick out, and the screws going through here are going to go Yeah. I am going to a half thousandth off because of the cold. Maybe it does have a data port. Couldn't afford one of these with a data port, and I got it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I have made up my mind what little there is of it left. Yeah. I'm gonna get down. Son, you're cutting us down. Okay, now I'm going to cut this baby off and deal with how to put that in after I can clamp this in there. Now, how do I want to cut this off? I don't want to hacksaw it. I really don't. I really don't. And I don't even want to use a Sawzall wannabe. Wannabe? Yeah. It wants to be a Sawzall. Well, hell. Wasteful. Very wasteful. No. Bad enough other people throw javelins at me. I don't need to throw one up in the air and see if I can jump in its path. There. Make it look like Mount Diablo High School is paying for my dicam. Shop card? What shop card? You want me to get a shop card? Hey! Really? Well, I know I was. Giving myself plenty of leeway because I was cutting that 6-degree angle. Well, looks like I definitely got past my 1-inch mark with my milling cutters. Yeah. A project I'm going to do with some of that, if I have any left, is I want to make one of them clamp-ons with the little screw that moves this, like on a veneer caliper. That was the one absolutely good thing about veneer calipers, was that screw you needed, because there's no way you can do the fine adjustment on a veneer caliper without that screw. And you end up doing stuff like guys go, bang! What's a read? Oh, good. Or if they had a round, if they had a round piece, I saw guys going like, and watching the veneer move, as a gauge. Uh-oh. Tell me you still work. There. A little cold. Yeah, a little bit cold. Well, lesson learned. Will not leave my expensive digital goodies out in the shop tonight. Yeah, it's raining. Okay. I'm going to go off camera for a few. Hi, this is a continuation of Back in the Shop 5, I believe. 4 or 5. 5A. Hey. Hey. Like I said, I don't want to hacksaw this. Turn it over. Start another corner. I would prefer, if I was doing this way, I'd be doing it out there where it's raining, but without the rain. Nope, not that one, puppy. Okay. 2 corners started. As you can see, this is less than ideal setup. Ideal setup, I would have cut this little piece off on the power hacksaw or the cut-off bandsaw, or even gone over to the regular bandsaw. But if you watched while I've had the POV cam on, looking around inside the shop here, 8, 12. I'd love to have Adam Booth's shaper. Where would I put my shop though? And I'd have to blast out that entire wall so I could shoot the chips into the vacant lot Start another forest fire. Down cut now. Yeah. I just had the thought, well, let's clap 11 directly to the bench. Quickly. Discounted that. Then again, that cheap Chinese drill press vise is really not helping much. This way I can go like so. On the subject of shapers, Lyle Peterson showed this model. Some college student probably. Made, built. Oh, come on, you. If you can hear that, that is the postal worker. I wonder what he left us. before I have another heart attack, sit down. Anyway, I'm going to rest for a moment here. I'm not kidding when I say heart attack. Anyway, on with the story. Lyle showed this marble shaper, like a 12-inch stroke, that some student had built. Perfect thing for this shop. No place to put it. So don't send it to me. Don't. No, don't. No place to put it. How sweet it is. Position, come at it from another angle. Almost there. I win. Oh. Longer an inch. Longer than an inch. Longer than an inch. Longer than an inch. And when you get down, probably see. No, you can't from there. Oh, yeah, you can. No, you can't. It's over here behind the lights, and I'll drown it out. I brought out a radio, old AM/FM POS. I come to the realization that I can't listen to the radio while I'm working out here anymore, because I'm recording. I heard Tom Lipton commenting on people complaining about his radio in the background. It's a shame because I was actually enjoying that station. Of course, that's angled the wrong way, so it won't work. How's your geometry here, baby? Huh? How's your geometry? Yep. Too shallow. Well, heck, I might have to bite the bullet. This is the one I just took out. Oh, I really want to cut that. That was the opposite side. That was a right-hand lathe turning tool, not a left-hand. You may have noticed that I put a fly cutter in here. On the milling machine, you want to establish a plane, a large plane in a hurry. Hard to beat. A fly cutter. Unless you've got a shaper or a planer. You thought I was going to give you a room to say, well, what about shapers? What about planers? Half a step ahead of you. why they give me disability to begin with. Oh. Okay. What I was going to do is I'm going to chop this, go back to the POV cam, and sling some aluminum chips at you. Hello, I was back. Oh, everything hurts, everything hurts, everything hurts. Okay, plenty of light, you can see. Now, I got a carbide cutter in here. I don't really need it, but it does facilitate. Sweeping. $12,000 increments. Find Mount Everest here. Hey! We found the top of the world! Come on, baby. Start. That's it. Good tool. Good tool. Yeah, I don't like going all the way over here. Having trouble finding the light over here. Okay, let's call that 5, although it's probably actually 7. Why am I doing it this way? Sweep the whole part, one end to the other. Make sure I don't find another high spot in the next pass that I didn't hit. Then I can speed this up. Hey now, how far out did that cutter go? That cutter go all the way out there. So, this is just not making it for me this way. Hey, an actual 5. What? I'm working. You keep it. Is this why there's so little YouTube content? I'll be back. Here's pretty aggressive nail there, huh? I wonder if that explains why that headless screw I tried to use the other night just would not start. Hey, another 5. I don't know. I don't know how the other guys do it. And actually get something done. You can see that Mr. Hacksaw is a wonderful tool, and he gives us such a delightful surface. See if I can get some. Hey!
Actually getting down to the heart of the matter.
You see that really nice area that seems to be going across that plateau. And they're picking up over here. Now, as I was saying earlier, I don't really need to use the carbide to cut this 6061. But it was in there, and it's producing a nice surface finish. Which leads us to one of the prime mottos of Poppy's workshop. Whatever works is good. Whatever works better is better. Whatever works best is way, way too expensive for us to have. And if we could ever afford it, something better will have come along. Suddenly, dial calipers aren't good enough. They have to be digital. Well, you know, I haven't seen a dial caliper yet that will measure to a half thousandth. That's about it. As close as I've seen them getting with digital calipers is half a thousandth. Maybe I'm looking in the wrong places. Looking for precision in all the wrong places. But I discovered gauge blocks. Ooh! Ooh. Skirting! Skirting copyright violation there. That's better. Much, much better. Another 5. Look, march its way across that part. Isn't that pretty? Bermuda was great. Yeah, I like the way that is throwing it off. Anyone seasick? Another 5. Another 5. I gotta put some kind of index. 2 of them, really. More visible. Oh, the radio. Another reason I just lost interest in the radio when I moved into this shop. My last house is up on the hill, 5 feet below the water company's purification tank, right? I got KOZT in Fort Bragg. I could listen to Dr. Demento every Saturday night at 9 o'clock live. Didn't have to find a stream, right? My shop was 4 times as big. And for gits and shiggles, another 2 passes without changing depth of cut.
Spring.
Look at that finish. Now I haven't cranked up my speed any to increase my surface feet per minute. Sweep all the way across. I was just thinking, I could have been able to double sweep if I put the riser block in here. But when you put the riser block in, especially with a milling column, you're getting forces. I mean, that 1.5 inches? Is that 1.5 inches? Looks sort of like 1.5 inches. Now, that doesn't seem like much to you. But if the engineer who designed this didn't think of that much more extension, it could go whomp. Wow, that is nice. That is really nice. Whoa, what's this? Well, this necessitates another 5. That's better. But not as pretty as the other one was. That was so nice. I wish I hadn't decided to double sweep the surface. Yeah. Yes. Huh?
I brought a little pizza for you, and I'm cooking Mom and mine. It's a French fries. Did you want me to
No, but I'll take that beverage.
Okay, there's Coke in there for you.
I thought you brought me another type.
No, I was able to give it the Coke today.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll leave that in there then.
Okay.
You said you were getting me a beer.
I would have, but they didn't have any coolers except for Cooler and Light. I didn't think you wanted that.
I would have drunk that. Oh, well. No biggie.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye. Anyways, I was saying, used to be able to listen to Dr. Domino while I was working. Move here. And no Dr. D! So the radio that was up near there for the longest time, finally I tossed it. Oh, how good is this piece of crap? And now, this will go in here. You see? And I just happened to catch those two screws clamp that down. Mirror the slot so that I can put that there. Although, I mean, there are enough meat there. I mount it on the lathe and drill a hole. Decisions. So, a 300 wide slot. Yeah, I think so. I think the 300 wide slot. Hey, this is Puppy's Workshop. Welcome. Come on in. Watch how he slightly loses it every time he's working on something. Ooh. Hey, it needs some kind of theme music, don't I? And until Sammy Hagar either posts a YouTube video saying, yeah, Poppy, use heavy metal. I mean, wouldn't that be perfect? Call it heavy. That's about as much as I could do without actually infringing his copyright there. Call that short excerpt from the work for purposes of review. And that's my official story. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's so nice. As you can see, I have no sponsorship. However, should the manufacturers of Dicam want to send me one tub of the blue with the brush and maybe the hypothetical Dicam felt tip applicator, I will slather that stuff over everything. Literally. Don't send me the spray because you'd have to send me the white. Do you have the white in spray? You know, the white cast iron in spray I could do. Hey, welcome back to Poppy's Workshop. Dicam took me seriously and sent me a truckload of the white spray. So you notice it's nice and bright and white in here. I'm blinded. No, seriously. Seriously, come on, there we go. Why are you breaking down your setup, Poppy? Because always rub from clean to dirt, never dirt to clean. Oh! I figured out what it was I miss. Ooh. From when I was young and still working. That's a dent. Not exactly super ground precision stones, but I'm not using a 10-inch bastard file to knock them down either. It is great to be able to say that word. I wonder. That's 1, 2, 3. Nah, I'm not clamping it down.
Slid off.
In case of fallout, there. Make it easier for myself. Okay, they must be down here. Okay, I know I got, and they're here on the bench because I haven't put them away yet. Priority center. Oh, that would work. Show one-way ticket to midnight. Call it. I'm sorry, I just can't help singing that song. You shouldn't have sung it so good, Sammy. Come on, slide on. Now. And now, what I'm going to do, put this baby in here. Establish center. I know it's gotta be here somewhere. And that's even worse. Okay. No, that wouldn't do it. Turn you over where you got this angle that's... This is the angle I want. Refresh my memory. $432. Call 440. 440. Call 433. Okay. FO433 is 215, 218. No, that's yeah. Okay. Well, I'll save this for the and then again, maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah. 3/4 minus. Okay, take 300 off of that. Bang. Come in with that. 300. $150. Yeah. Okay.